Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope every one of you is doing really well. And I also hope that you are also paying attention towards your studies. Right? Okay. In this video, we will revise our chapter number 2. We will discuss some important questions of chapter number 2. Okay. This chapter, what is the name of the chapter? The Narayanpur Incident. And who is the author of this chapter? Yes, Shashi Deshpande. This chapter is written by Shashi Deshpande. She is a very well-known Indian novelist. She even has won Sahitya Academy Award in 1991. This story is set in 1942. Mahatma Gandhi started Quit India movement on 8th August 1942. Who started Quit India movement? Mahatma Gandhi. Manju, Babu and Mohan, they were dragged into that movement. Why? Because their father was sent to jail and all the schools and colleges were closed due to the movement. One day, Manju and Babu were going to see a procession. What is a procession? Procession is a series of people moving one after the other, or you can say it is a julus. So they were going to see a procession. They were really excited. But why were they excited to see the procession? Yes, they were excited because their elder brother Mohan was taking part in that procession. The procession was taken out by the college students from their college to the collector's office. The procession was very peaceful. When the students reached the collector's office, the DSP came there and asked them the reason of the procession. Who is the DSP? Yes. DSP is the Deputy Superintendent of the Police. He came to ask the reason of the procession. The students gave him a piece of paper. And what was that piece of paper? That was a notice. After handing over the piece of paper or the notice to the DSP, the students marched back briskly. What do you mean by briskly? Briskly means in an enthusiastic and active manner. When they marched back, they shouted, Mahatma Gandhi ki Jai. Later, when Mohan reached home, Manju and Babu were waiting for him. They were very curious. Why were they curious? Because they wanted to know what Mohan and other students had given to the DSP. Mohan informed them that it was the notice. Then they asked what was the motive of that notice. Mohan told that the notice was a kind of warning or a kind of declaration. It was a warning for the Britishers to leave India. And it was a warning that if they would not leave India, if they would not quit India, they would be treated like enemies. The next question that Babu asked was, why was the celebration so peaceful? Mohan replied that it was planned the way it was. But why it was peaceful? Yes, it was peaceful because the students did not want to give any chance to police to beat them or to put them behind the bars. Why? Because most of the leaders were already behind the bars. When they were discussing about all these events, suddenly Suman, along with a boy, entered in their house. Who entered in their house? Suman and a boy. What were they carrying? They were carrying a big parcel. Manju and Babu were eagerly waiting to see what was there in the parcel. What was there in the parcel? Yes, a cyclo-styling machine. What is a cyclo-styling machine? Yes, it is a machine which is used to copy a letter or a document quickly. They hid the machine in the puja room when they were discussing something. Who came to their house? Yes, Sub-Inspector Patil. Who was Sub-Inspector Patil? Sub-Inspector Patil was a friend of Mohan's father. He came there to inform the family about the search that was to take place later that night. What was the search for? The search was for the cyclo-styling machine. He informed the family that police was planning to visit their house later that night just to search if they were hiding something which is not good for the Britishers. And what happened later that night? Yes, the police actually came later that night because the family was already aware, so they did not need to worry. Why was the family not worried? Because they had already sent the cyclo-styling machine along with Suman and that boy with the Sub-Inspector Patil. So that's all for today's revision video. All the best for your test and read your chapter very carefully. Bye-bye.